Ever wonder what mysteries hide beneath the ocean's surface? The answer may surprise you, and perhaps even make you rethink your next seafood dinner. Let's dive into the deep blue, where the sun's rays barely penetrate, and the creatures that lurk there could be straight out of a science fiction movie. Our oceans are teeming with life, a vibrant tapestry woven with a staggering diversity of species. From the microscopic plankton, the lifeblood of the marine food chain, to the colossal blue whale, the largest creature to have ever existed on our planet, the ocean's inhabitants are as varied as they are numerous. But it's not just about the size or number of species. The marine world is a playground for evolution, where creatures have adapted in the most extraordinary ways to survive in an environment that's as challenging as it is captivating. Here, bioluminescence paints a neon spectacle in the inky depths, while some creatures have developed near invisibility for the ultimate hide-and-seek game. But what makes these creatures truly unique? Well, how about the fact that some of them can regenerate their body parts? Or the fact that others can alter their shape and color at will? Or perhaps the fact that some of them can withstand temperatures and pressures that would instantly kill any land-dwelling creature? These are just a few examples of the incredible abilities that marine creatures possess. Yet, despite their remarkable survival skills, many of these species are threatened by human activities. Overfishing, pollution, and climate change are taking a heavy toll on marine life and their habitats. It's a grim reminder that these underwater wonders, as resilient as they may be, need our help to survive. Conservation isn't just about saving cute and cuddly creatures. It's about preserving the entire spectrum of life on Earth, including those strange and fascinating creatures that call the ocean their home. So let's remember to treat our oceans with respect, for they are full of surprises waiting to be discovered. Now hold your breath as we plunge into the deep, introducing you to some of the ocean's most intriguing inhabitants. First stop, the colorful world of the flamboyant cuttlefish. This striking creature is a spectacle to behold, with its ability to change colors more rapidly than a chameleon at a disco party. But don't let its vibrant hues fool you. The flamboyant cuttlefish packs a punch with flesh that's as toxic as it is colorful. It's one of the few cephalopods that carry a venom potent enough to cause harm to humans. As if that's not enough to make it stand out, this cuttlefish also has a peculiar way of getting around. Instead of swimming, it prefers to strut along the sea floor on its tentacles, almost like it's walking. This unusual marine creature can be found in the tropical waters of the Indo-Pacific, from southern Japan to northern Australia. But before you consider adding some exotic flair to your dinner plate, remember that this flamboyant character is more of a visual treat than a culinary one. So, if you're planning on adding cuttlefish to your menu, you might want to skip this flamboyant fellow. Next, we delve deeper to meet a creature as intriguing as its name, the vampire squid. Now hold on to your scuba gear. This denizen of the deep is neither a squid nor a vampire. This unique cephalopod, with its cloak-like webbing and eerie glowing body, gets its name from its dark, mysterious appearance. Imagine this. It's pitch black, but suddenly a soft illumination flickers in the water. That's our vampire squid, using its bioluminescent body to light up the abyss. It thrives in the extreme depths of the ocean, where pressure is 100 times that of the surface. And let's talk about its unique defense mechanism. When threatened, it turns itself inside out, revealing spiky, intimidating appendages. But don't worry, it's more of a show than a bite. As for its place in the culinary world, well, let's just say you wouldn't find it in any seafood platter, so no need to pack your garlic. This vampire is harmless and certainly not a seafood delight. Moving on, let's float over to the realm of the leafy sea dragon. This master of the marine masquerade is a spectacle to behold, with a leaf-like appearance that's more than just a fashion statement. It's an exceptional adaptation for survival, a camouflage so perfect that it can fool even the most observant predator. Residing in the temperate waters off the southern and western coasts of Australia, the leafy sea dragon's habitat is a chilly underwater forest of seagrass and kelp. Here, amidst the foliage, it sways and dances with the rhythm of the currents, its leafy appendages blending seamlessly with the surroundings. Yet, for all its beauty, the leafy sea dragon is a delicate creature. Its slow and graceful movements are not built for speed or endurance, but for a life of gentle drifting in the undersea landscapes. This fragility, coupled with a unique beauty that tempts collectors, has led to its protected status in Australian waters. So, if you're wondering about the taste of this leafy spectacle, let's nip that curiosity in the bud right away. The leafy sea dragon is not an item on the menu. It's a creature to be admired, to be protected, and to inspire awe in its perfect adaptation to its environment. This delicate dancer of the sea is a sight to behold, but definitely not to be tasted. As we resurface, let's take a moment to appreciate the hidden wonders of our oceans. We've seen a vibrant array of marine life, each with its own unique quirks and characteristics, painting a vivid picture of the world beneath the waves. Let's recall the flamboyant cuttlefish, a master of disguise that changes its colors faster than a chameleon. It's a living, breathing work of art, but don't be fooled by its beauty. It carries a toxin as deadly as that of the blue-ringed octopus. Speaking of which, the blue-ringed octopus, small yet deadly, reminds us that size isn't everything. We also dove into the world of the lanternfish, a beacon in the inky darkness of the deep ocean. These tiny torchbearers light up the abyss with their bioluminescent bodies, a spectacle unlike any other. Remember the mysterious blobfish? This gelatinous glob might not win any beauty contest, but it's perfectly adapted to life in the deep sea. And let's not forget the sarcastic fringehead, a fish with a name as quirky as its looks. Each of these marine marvels is a testament to the incredible biodiversity of our oceans. Their existence underlines the importance of conservation efforts to protect these underwater ecosystems. Next time you dip your toes in the ocean, remember the fascinating life that thrives beneath. Until our next deep dive, keep exploring and keep discovering.